everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be driving this beautiful Mark 7.5 GTI. It's a stage 2 tuned, producing up to 320 horsepower. It's lowered with racing line suspensions and it has a Khan Edition forged wheels. It has an X-Force downpipe and a racing line intake. Now we're going to be hearing how it sounds and then we're going to be doing 0 to 100. We're going to be testing 0 to 100 now. Launch control is activated. Yalla. Stage 2 plus.